Hey, this is JT with RMUS, and I'm here with Corey Schumann with Gold Rush Expeditions. We're in the underground right now in the San Francisco mine outside Oatman, Arizona, with the Boston Dynamics spot. We have an area back here that we want to investigate here, but before we walk in there, we want to make sure that we put an unmanned system in there. So Corey, tell me a little bit about the mine here and what we're doing.
Yeah, quick and dirty. The mine hasn't been worked since probably pre-40s. We're doing a survey, kind of see what the veins look like. We know there's gold here. It also is. It's been 70, 80, 90 years since anybody's really been wandering around in here. So some cases, some unmanned stuff like this is a lifesaver, just to make sure everything's good before we go chase something down. So
you do this all the time. We're in here, and this is kind of a new experience for us. So, what would you do if you had something like this and you didn't have the robot? How do you navigate something the first time?
So it's kind of risky of what we're doing, but we've kind of got a good feel for what we're doing. So we'd be checking wall stability as we go. We'd be looking at the floor to make sure that there's no things that are going to get us, nothing that's going to collapse on us. And then air monitors, just make sure that our air is good all the way through. But the ability to have something like this that can take a look at it ahead of time and we know that it's safe really takes a lot out. Because there can always be crazy things. There can be cougars, bats,
Always an adventure, huh? Okay, well I see some old rail tracks in here. These are from the ore carts years ago.
Yep.
So there must have been some steady floor there. That's a good indicator. So we're gonna run spot and see what happens here. All right, Corey, as this walks along here, tell us a little bit about what you're looking at on the sides here, just with the lighting. For both the safety purposes and potential deposits.
So safety purposes wise, I can see that there's no wood, there's nothing coming in, nothing that's caving in. It's previously caved in. We can see that light down there. We can see that he's pretty stable on his feet down there. There's nothing that's moving underneath him at all. Deposit wise, we'll have to go down and check with some eyes for now, where we can see what he's able to see with the LiDAR unit on in there too. Iron's obviously be heavier, gold can be way heavier. The way that bounces off the light and everything might be really interesting to see.
Excellent. So before we end the video here, Lance, maybe you can kind of just come up to the camera and then we can see what you're seeing on the spot itself. So we're able to kind of look around there. Corey, it's probably, I would say, 50, 60 feet away now.
Yeah.
Corey, what do you think here? I mean, you're able to see what you need to see before we walk down there?
Yeah, that is super cool.
Excellent. Okay, well, we'll wrap this up. We might have some other videos of spot here, but this is the San Francisco mine in Oatman, Arizona. And believe it or not, I think this is also a hot spring. We're sweating in here. It's not our typical mine, right?